Everybody, this is Tony at Callis Rensport. I want you to be able to test voltage drop on the 996s and 997s. This is a very common problem, particularly on the 997s, but let me explain. I hate it when a car comes in and it has a new battery, it has a new starter, and it still has a slow crank and they haven't diagnosed the car properly. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to get a nice DVOM, like a Fluke 88, the automotive meter. You're gonna go from your positive battery terminal, okay? The car is at operating temperature, at idle, and I've turned on the headlights and the AC system. Then you're gonna go and you're gonna puncture the wire coming out of the alternator. I made this neat screwdriver and I, come on, pull it out. Marlo, let's show them. I sharpen the end to a very sharp point. It doesn't really want to focus, but you see that. And then I coated it with heat shrink tubing. Then we're going to go in, we're going to go right to the back of the alternator, and we're going to poke the wire coming, the cable coming, the output cable coming out of the alternator. We're going to get a reading. That's about 300, right around 300 millivolts. Okay, we're measuring voltage because we're measuring voltage drop from where it's coming out of the source, going to the starter, over to a junction, usually down by the gearbox, and then up to the battery post. There's three main legs to this. From the battery to the firewall, this short one, and they can corrode right there at the firewall, because that's a big point where they corrode. Then there's one from the inside of the firewall all the way back, usually to the transmission area. In the 996 it's different. And then there's one from there over here to the alternator and starter. Starter first, then alternator. And remember, the alternator makes the power and the battery just stores it. So what you're doing at operating temperature, at idle, with a couple of consumers on, you're testing the voltage coming out of the alternator, going to the battery. How much is reaching the battery? How much isn't is called voltage drop. And we've got a difference right now of about 350 millivolts. That is pushing it. It's okay, but I wouldn't go over that. If it goes much over that, then you want to replace the cable, usually on the engine. That's the one that goes bad. Of course, I can't tell you positively, but that's usually the case. I hope you got something out of that. Thank you. And don't forget to put a little dab of silicone RTV where the hole is, what you just made. Thank you.